Hello everyone, today in this video we'll talk about Loughborough University in England, and there are some PhD positions available. You can apply for PhD position on self-funded, and also there are some PhD position funded, full funded PhD positions are also available. So let's take a look. A to Z of current PhD position opportunities. Our current PhD opportunities are projects which already have a topic and a supervisor allocated. Some have funding already attached but may require you to provide your own funding. So there are some PhD position like this one is self-funded, and this one is funded. So you can take a look, okay, like there are some PhD position. You can also take it like fee status. I am international students, okay, and then you major, for example, computer science, okay, you can select any major from here. If you are from physics, sport business, mathematics, so you can select the major here, and then campus, you can select one campus here, and then these are the PhD positions available in computer science department. You can see that artificial intelligence for greenhouse gas emission monitoring and analysis from satellite and scientific data, automatically building better algorithms, cross-model learning for information, explainable AI, and improved reason about. So this position is funded, you can see here, and this one is funded, this one is self-funded, and the starting date you can see full-time or part-time, you can apply both. So these are the PhD positions available for computer science department. Now let's take a look for other department. For example, if you want to take a look for physics, so these are the PhD positions available in physics. Similarly, mathematical sciences. Now we'll take a look here funding status. If you see here studentships, and now this one are funded. Now if you want to see just funded PhD positions, then you can just click here studentship. Now we'll take a look here computer science. Now these are all funded PhD positions. Application deadline is each of them has their application deadlines. Mainly all of them has, like most of them has 29th February, some has 10th January. So you can take a look here. Now if you can see the topic which is like a little bit related to your previous background, and then you can take a look more about that PhD position. For example, lifelong machine learning for medical data and personalized medicine, improved reasoning about studying in combination words, formal language, automatically building better algorithms, artificial intelligence for gas emission monitoring. Now you can take a look one of them, Stranger Things, Internet of Things for microclimate monitoring with forests. This one is application deadline is 10th January and it will start in October 2024. Most of them, yeah, all of them here are starting in October 2024. Now if you want to take a look about one of that, this one, you can take a look. So then you can click here, and then it will take you to that page of that university's that scholarship page, and then you can take a look. Now this is the description of that PhD position, lifelong machine learning for medical data and personalized medicine. Now you can take a look here. Entry requirements, you can take a look about the requirements. Fee for full funded, and this is a full funded PhD position, 3 years. Part-time, if you want to do PhD for part-time, then it will be 6 years. Starting date is October 2024. Application deadline is 29th February 2024. Project reference, subject area, location, and this is the detail of the project. You can take a look here about the detail of the project. Now you can see here, I think Dr. Andrew will be yours, is a senior lecturer and world leading scientist in the area of lifelong machine learning. Currently he is leading growing research group with the aim to advance the state of the art lifelink in medicine and its application to real world scenarios. Okay, and entry requirements, you can take a look here. Our entry requirements are listed using standard UK undergraduate degree classification: first honor, upper class, lower, second class honor, and to learn the equivalent of your country, please choose India. Okay, for example, Pakistan. Then these are the requirements for bachelor's degree or master degree. And English language requirement, applicant must meet the English language requirements. You can take a look here. This is a full funded PhD, so you don't need to apply for, take a look at application fee. So here you can take a look. So for, they say that first if you should have IELTS. If you don't have IELTS, then they say don't meet our IELTS requirements. For those students who don't meet our IELTS requirements, Loughborough University at the discretion of the school department offers a number of pre-sessional English language programs as an alternative way to satisfy the requirements. If you don't have IELTS, you can still apply for that PhD position. Okay. Now here we have see the fee, funding, and requirements. Now how to apply? Click here and then simply click here, apply now, and submit your application. If you will have any question related to that application, you can ask me in the comment section. I will respond to your queries. Thank you so much for watching the video. Take care and bye bye. And yeah, guys, we daily upload the videos related to scholarships. So if you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.